Hi all, I'm Dr. Namita Nadar and I'm in the field of nutrition and dietetics since last 2 decades. And during this my journey, I come to know about the diseases, their prevention and their cure. And while this I come to know antioxidants are very important for our body, for our well-being. Antioxidant is work as like a scavenger. It helps in killing the free radicals from our body. And they are very beneficial. It work as a defense mechanism for your body. So as we are discussing on the prevention and treatment of the diseases, so rather than getting into any disease, it is very helpful that we prevent our diseases. So the role of antioxidant comes in here. So today I want to discuss with you a very important antioxidants which I recently studied and came to know about is gamma oryzanol. Same with the gamma oryzanol, which has been extracted from the outer bran of this rice bran, and this is very helpful in many of the preventions. It works as a super antioxidant and it helps in protecting cancer. It works as an anti-inflammatory. It improves our immune system, and it is also helpful in some of the nervous treatment diseases. So that way it is very beneficial and helpful if we include that in our diet. It is a very super antioxidant, very powerful antioxidant, which also good for your skin, for your immunity, for your defense mechanism. And this is a natural antioxidant. It is not synthetic. During my career I come to know about the synthetic antioxidants, the medicines, which is very helpful, immunity boosting. But when we try using the natural antioxidant, it will work as an excellent self-defense of the body. Your WBCs, RBCs get improved. And the most importantly, now Government of India also approved gamma oryzanol, and it has been used since 1962 in Japan and US already. But now Government of India has also approved this product as a very good, excellent antioxidant. Thank you so much.